Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to work on the checkout page. So once a user clicks on checkout, we need to display a form that would allow them to fill out their data. So let me head on over to the project to work on it. So first of all, I'm going to open up the template because the checkout code is in the template, the HTML code. I'm going to first open it here in Sublime here, and this is the code. As you can see, this is the code that we want. This is the code, the checkout code. It starts from here, this section. So this is the form. We need this form. So this is the form that we want. However, what we want to do is that in order to display this code, we need to create a checkout page in our project. So let me create a, in the resources, let me create a checkout page. I'm going to open up the resources and then views, and then I'm going to create a new here in the views here, the views. I'm going to create a new file called checkout dot, let me click on save first. I'm going to say save as, and then checkout.blade.php, and we need to add the code, and the code is going to be similar to the basic code, which is the extents and the section. We need to copy these two lines, and then we need to paste them here in the checkout, and then at the end we need to say at end section, and in between we need to add the code. This is the HTML code. It's a very simple HTML code that has a form that would allow the user to type their email, their name, their phone number, their address, and they will be able to check out. And I'm going to walk you through this code, so don't worry about this. I'm going to copy this code from here, and then I'm going to paste it in the checkout.blade.php between these between this section, between the section content and the end. I'm going to paste it here. So the code again is just a section that displays the form, this form, which has these inputs: the name, the email, the phone number, the city, the address, and the button, the checkout button. And here I want you to notice this. I have added this code, which is session has total. If session has total, and if that total is not null, then we can accept that checkout. Because if the user comes to this page without having anything in the cart, we cannot check out because they don't have anything to buy. Therefore, we need to protect this form by adding this code. Let me now click on File and then Save. Also, make sure that in the public and then CSS and then style.css, make sure that you have this code. Make sure that you have this checkout CSS code. This checkout CSS code will make the checkout form look amazing. Otherwise, the form will not look amazing at all. It would be ruined, and it would look very, very terrible. So make sure that you have this code, this CSS code, in the public CSS style.css. This is the code. And then once you have made sure that it exists, just click on File and then Save All. Let's now test, but before we test, make sure that you close here the div, this div. You need to close it as usual. You need to close it because this closing tag of the div belongs to the header, and this is necessary. You need to add this here above this section. Let me now save everything and let's test. So let me head on over to the browser. Now in the browser, let me test. And before I click on checkout, notice that we have here a meal in the cart. Let me click on checkout. If you click on checkout, as you can see, this is the checkout form. It looks amazing. And I want you to notice that if I remove everything from the cart, if I don't have any meals in the cart, the button will not be displayed, meaning that I will not be able to fill out the form and make an order because there is nothing in the cart.